Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I decided to just go ahead and do a voiceover today. So we're going to be doing my weekly plan, but this week we're going to be doing it with the pop art style. If you don't know what pop art is, it's like really bold colors, yellows, blues, purples, greens, like really bold, almost comic book style. So this week we're going to go ahead and get started with that. My writing is going to be in a hot pink. Of course, I'm always going to have my quote of the week. So it kind of gives it a little bit more of a pop and a sizzle to it. Hopefully my dogs do not start barking while I am doing this. So right now, as you can see, what I'm doing is going ahead and setting up my color. I am using my Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, as well as my Logitech K480 wireless Bluetooth keyboard. So what I'm starting to do this time is going to go ahead and do my dates for the week. This month has flown by. Can you imagine by the end of this week, we'll only have like 21 days till Christmas? Later this week, I'm going to go ahead and do my December plan with me. I'm going to try to get it out by Wednesday. So as you can see, I'm going ahead and doing all the days for the week, and then I'm just going to like size them and space them and put them where they want to go. So I start my new job on Monday, and while I am nervous, I am super excited about it. So I ended up leaving for the rest of the week on Monday. And so here I am, just kind of enjoying my last few hours of non-work. And I'm actually got some clothes I need to fold up and I need to wash my hair. It is 12:06 here. So I am doing the voiceover now. And once I get done with that, then I will move on to folding up clothes and then washing my hair, blow drying it and stuff like that. And then I was that close to like going out and buying a one of those blow dryer helmet thingies. And I'm still not out of the woods with it yet. Still not out of the woods with it. Like I just have to get myself motivated to go pick it up. And then debate if I want to take my dogs across town, which right now I don't feel like I want to. But anyway, so this is not going to be a super long video today. It's roughly about 18 minutes total. So now what I'm doing is going ahead and putting in like everything that's happening this week right now that I know about. Because stuff changes. And then, oh, excuse me, goodness gracious. Sorry about that. I usually don't drink while I'm talking, but I guess you got to. Anyway, so in the process of doing all of that and everything, I'm, like I said, writing down the stuff that I'm doing for the week. I've got a couple of training calls and of course, I start my new job, and on Saturday, Churro goes back to the vet. So he was attacked this past Friday. My son was walking in past our dog park, and I guess he stopped to pee because he pees. Creature of habit, he pees right next to the fence, and I guess this dog decided that that was offensive to him and ran over and grabbed Churro by the ear. And I had my back door open, so I live in an apartment community, which I hear the dogs barking, which they usually do, and I was in my room. And so then I stepped outside, and I hollered to Donald, my son, and say, "Hey, bring Churro and bring the dog inside." And he hollers, "I can't." And I look, and I don't have my glasses on, so I can't focus. And then, my eyes focus and I see that like the two dogs, like the woman is yelling blood, screaming bloody murder. And the dogs are like right there at the fence. One is on one side, my dog's on the outside of the fence. I'm thinking they're tussling over a damn ball or something. No. When I get out there and I look, this dog has my dog by the ear. And I can't get to her dog. And where her dog is, it's kind of under a bench and she can't really get to him either. So I'm like, okay. So I grab my dog and pull and get his ear out. And so instantaneously, like blood just comes popping up to the top. I run into the house, spirit him away, run into the house, start pouring hydrogen peroxide on it. I don't have my phone with me, so I'm like, I'm in my apartment. I don't have my watch on. I don't have my phone on. Nothing. And so I look out and I realize that it's like 3:45. I call my vet. They close at like 5:30, 6 o'clock. Call my vet and was like, hey, I know y'all stopped taking walk-ins at 4, but this literally just happened. Can I bring Churro up? They're like, bring him on in. So I did. And he had to stay overnight. So that they could suture his ear up. Bless his little stinking sweet heart. And everything. So he went on and they were able, she called me about 6 o'clock that night, let me know that, hey, they were able to get everything together. But because of how it tore, like the cartilage was sticking up. So they had to trim the cartilage. Like the cartilage was, like, it was just terrible. Paid that, picked him up. And then, we're back home. He's on pain meds, which, you know, he's about 7, so he's a tough little booger. Anyway, so this is what my week looks like, and what I'm doing right now is typing in my quote. And if you can't read it just yet, it says, and one day, just like that, you will rediscover your light, you will embrace your inner warrior, you will snatch your power back, and the whole game will change. So I just think that is absolutely amazing. So now I'm going in and putting these little elements of pop art into it. So primarily everything is going to be like hot pink and like a bright yellow. So I am putting her in there. And the one funny thing about Penly is you can bring things to the front and stuff like that. You just have to go on like the little picker tool and everything. So of course, if I don't do anything, I've got to find me some little Cocoa Girls to put in there. So I have her, and I just feel like she just kind of gives me all of the energy that I want, all of the energy. Um, and everything. So the past couple of days, just been kind of chilling. Went to go see Wakanda Forever last night. I am not giving any spoilers in case you have not seen it, but when I tell you it was everything and it hit me all in my feel boxes and everything, just it it really gave you the stages of grief through Cherie's eyes, which that is all I'm going to say. And also, fucking black womening, because we stood and delivered in like some of the toughest situations, and I was here for all of it. So it was super amazing. I was super excited about it. Also planning date night on the 3rd. That night, so that way after Churro goes to the vet that morning, I'm gonna go ahead and get my date on. Yeah, so while I am going down through here, did anybody buy anything? Did anybody go crazy for Black Friday, or even are you thinking about going crazy for Cyber Monday? I purchased one thing. I purchased a 24-inch computer monitor. It was like $69, and I could not let that pass. Um, I have a Surface Pro, which is what I do a lot of my editing on, as far as like for my videos and stuff. And I Gosh, my brain just shut off. And I have a Surface Pro 6, and it has like a 13-inch monitor, and that's fine. But my almost 50-year-old eyes are like, and bitch, get a bigger monitor. So I did. So I did. Um, Hopefully, I will have some super exciting news for you guys when I do next Sunday's video. And if I do, I'm probably going to be so giddy and over the moon. Anyway, so now I'm starting to put these little elements in there. I love washi, but then I also like taking just regular digital paper and cropping it down to what I need. And everything. So that's kind of what I'm doing now. Like I said, I'm going with the pinks and yellows. There's going to be like a little pop of green in there. You'll see a little bit later. But anyway, so back to this monitor. I'm so super excited about it, and I keep stalking Amazon. It's not supposed to be here till Tuesday, but I can still keep stalking Amazon thinking, oh, it'll come early. No, it's not, girl. No, it's not. But it was let me pull it up. Orders. It was fart. A Kuroi 24-inch computer monitor, full HD, frameless monitor, and it was $69.99. I could not pass that up to save my life at all. I was so super excited about it that I was just like, I have to get this. I don't even have the space for it right now, but I believe in manifesting, and I'm going to manifest a home soon. And I'm gonna have an office. So I'm excited. Anyway, so I've chosen a couple of Mother Little Coco girls, and everything, and then here I am, because remember, this was just a piece of digital washi paper, so I decided to go ahead and stretch it back out and cover it over that, and then that's what I'm going to put my quote under. That quote really does a lot for me, because it kind of helps me keep myself balanced, if you would. Just gives me some motivation for the week, and everything. So yeah. So yeah. And then, like I said, I'm just putting some last little things in there. And because I'm so extra, I decided to go ahead and put, my things under, like on top of like the little pop art boxes. And so you can kind of see that. So I will let you watch that. You'll have to excuse my dogs. They're just over here just sighing and scratching and stuff. And it's just, oh. Anyway, so yeah, tell me in the comments what you think about this layout. Or do you like pop art? Do you not like pop art? What don't you like about it? I just like all the funky colors. I don't know why, but not that I'm a funky color. Well, I kind of am a funky color person. But yeah, this will kind of give you an idea of everything. So let me know what you think. Anyway, I'm going to let you go ahead and finish watching, and then I will see you on my next video. And like I said, hopefully I will have some exciting news for you by the time I release my December video. See you later.